Cancer, the world's #1 killer, is the nightmare of modern society, as it can appear within your system without any symptom. In most cases, there are no sign or indication during its initial stage. When the signs do appear, that usually means that the cancer has spread and reached a critical stage. On December 12, 2013, a World Health Organization report claimed that 14 million individuals are suffering from cancer in 2012. That number is predicted to rise to 19 million by 2025. Both Western and Eastern medicine practitioners have encouraged individuals to consume more vegetables and fruits to prevent cancer. Yet, does eating more vegetables truly aid in preventing cancer? Is everyone aware that eating more vegetables can actually increase the possibility of us getting cancer? Have you eaten vegetables with a bitter taste? Or have you ever taken fruits that produce a mild numbing effect on your tongue? That is where the hidden danger lies: pesticide residues. The presence of pesticide residues, however minimal, that has not been broken down, has a toxic effect on the produce, soil, water, and the environment. The residues mainly come from these types of pesticides: organophosphorus pesticides and carbamate pesticides. Pesticides can leave residues in two ways. Firstly is its attachment to the produce's surface. Secondly is through the absorption from the roots, stem, and leaves during its growth, which is more damaging than the surface attachment. The most pressing matter in food safety is the harmful effects of pesticide residues. Regrettably, modern agriculture has propelled wider use of pesticides to speed up production and quantity. Almost no food product that you can find on our dining tables is untouched by pesticides. We can only hope that the level of pesticide residues present is safe for human consumption. The WHO report has indicated that the long-term effects of pesticide residues lingering within the human body cause the slow development of fatal diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes. The increasing number of cancer patients is directly linked to pesticide residues present in our food. Reported cases are just the tip of the iceberg. Facts have proven that the pesticide residues in our food has become a hidden killer that seriously threatens our health. A high rate of pesticide residues can directly impact our neuron system, which can result in paralysis, speech and movement impairment, and even death. When a pregnant lady consumes food containing pesticide residues, most of the pesticide residues will enter the fetus through the placenta, thereby delaying the fetus's growth and development, leading to fetal malformations. This is also the reason for miscarriages, premature births, and deaths in the womb. As the baby's metabolism is not yet fully developed during the pregnancy stage, the chemicals would remain in the fetus, resulting in poisoning. That's why mothers-to-be have to be extra cautious with their food choices and consumption. Pesticide residues in the body system can pass on to the next generation during the pregnancy and through breastfeeding. What's more, if too much pesticides have been accumulated in a man's body, it can result in male infertility. In the last 50 years, global sperm count has dropped to 50%, while couples who are unable to have children has risen to 15%. The number of cancer patients is increasing, and the infected are getting younger. Specialists have estimated that by 2027, 1 in 2 males will have the risk of contracting cancer, while the percentage of women contracting cancer will rise from 40% to 44%. This is because we live in a world filled with carcinogens. Food, drinks, air, and the environment contain high levels of carcinogens. This is especially so for our food, some of which have chemicals added into them. Example, meat products containing residues, antibiotics, and hormones. Others absorb such residues in growing stages. Example, residual heavy metals and bactericides found in marine produce and also fruits and vegetables, etc. Remnants of these chemicals accumulating in the body can result in chronic illness such as a migraine, numbness, stomach aches, coughs, fatigue, nausea, dizziness, accelerated heartbeat, insomnia, and even increase in white blood cells, liver or kidney failure, diabetes, and other cancerous-related illness. Every year, about 2 million people suffer from cancer due to ingestion of pesticide residues. Close to 40,000 individuals die. Then how do we stop exposing ourselves to the dangers of pesticide residues? UHB enzyme is the nemesis of pesticide residues, as it can remove 99.99% of pesticide residue. UHB enzyme is an organophosphorus hydrolase that is homodimeric. It aids in breaking down organophosphorus pesticides and nerve agents. The best example of a poisonous nerve agent is the sarin gas. Sarin gas numbs the central nervous system, leading to death. In 1995, sarin gas attack in Tokyo, Japan was an act of terror. It claimed the lives of 13 people and wounded 6,300 others. UHB enzyme degrades at 1,000 to 2,450 times faster than the natural rate of degradation and at 107 to 1,013 times faster than inorganic catalyst. Thus, UHB enzyme can quickly and effectively remove pesticide residues in fruits and vegetables, retaining the original quality and color in fruits and vegetables with effectiveness of 99.99%. We obtained 5 fish tanks and filled them with the same amount of water and pesticide. The first tank had UHB enzyme added. The second tank had no pesticide control solution added. The remaining 3 tanks each had different brands of pesticide control solutions added. After a while, we discovered the fishes in the tank with the different brands of pesticide control solution were dying. One of the tank's fishes died faster than fish in the tank without any pesticide control solution. On the other hand, the fishes in the tank containing UHB enzyme are still energetic and lively. However, we were not satisfied and thus conducted another experiment. We put those dying fishes into the tank with the UHB enzyme. After a while, we discovered that the dying fish have miraculously been revived. This further strengthened our belief that UHB enzyme can quickly clear off the poisonous effects of pesticide residues. How to use UHB enzyme. First, wash the surface of your fruits and vegetables with running water. Pour 1 sachet of UHB enzyme and dissolve it into 6 to 8 liters of water. Soak 1 kilogram of fruits and vegetables in the water for 10 to 20 minutes. Take out the fruits and vegetables, place them under running water, and they are now safe for consumption. As for seafood, meat, grains, dried food, tea, and medicinal products, put them under running water and soak them in UHB enzyme dissolved water for 10 to 20 minutes. UHB enzyme is a mild, non-invasive, non-toxic, harmless, and can be washed off easily. It can safely and quickly remove pesticide residues. The UHB enzyme dissolved water can be used to water plants to prevent another round of contamination. It is the safest, eco-friendly product available in the market. Prevention is better than cure. Spare a thought for you and your family's well-being. Eliminate pesticide residues in our food. Always use UHB enzyme, permitting you and your family to eat safely and be healthily happy.